Most people assume Steam gift cards can be refunded like normal purchases, and that's where things go wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. Once a Steam gift card is purchased and redeemed, refunds are almost always not possible. But there are a few important exceptions most users don't know about. In this video you'll learn exactly how Steam gift card refunds work in 2026, when you might actually get your money back, and what to do if something goes wrong. Let's start with the direct answer first. Steam gift cards are generally non-refundable. That means if you bought a physical or digital code from Steam or an authorized retailer like Amazon or a store, Steam does not allow you to return it just because you changed your mind. But here's the problem. Many users like Alex think Steam handles refunds directly for gift cards. It doesn't. The refund rules depend on where you bought the card, not Steam itself. Now here's where it gets interesting. If the gift card has not been redeemed yet, you may be able to request a refund from the original seller. For example, if you bought it from Amazon, you can contact Amazon support. If it was a retail store, you would need to follow their return policy. Steam is not involved at this stage. But once the code is redeemed into a Steam account, everything changes. At that point, the value becomes Steam wallet funds, and those funds are strictly non-refundable, under Steam's policy. Let's talk about a real example. Imagine John buys a $50 Steam gift card, redeems it, and later regrets it. Even if he contacts Steam support, they will not reverse the wallet credit. It is treated like in-game currency already spent into the system. However, there is one rare exception. If the card was stolen, duplicated, or used fraudulently before you redeemed it, you should immediately contact both the retailer and Steam support. In some verified fraud cases, investigations may lead to a resolution, but this is not guaranteed. Now let's clear up another common mistake. Some users try chargebacks through banks after redeeming the card. This can lead to account restrictions, or even permanent Steam bans. So this is not a safe solution. So what should you do instead? Always double-check the seller before buying a Steam gift card. Only use trusted platforms. And if you haven't redeemed it yet and made a mistake, act fast and contact the retailer immediately. To summarize, Steam gift cards are not refundable after redemption. Refunds before redemption depend on the seller, and fraud cases are the only possible exception. Now you know how the system actually works, and you can avoid expensive mistakes in the future. If this helped you, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more simple Steam guides that save you time and money.